Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to load Unpacked extensions in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you do this, a submenu will appear showing extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view all your installed extensions and access developer features necessary for loading Unpacked extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a toggle button next to Developer Mode. Click this toggle to turn Developer Mode on. Enabling this feature is crucial because it unlocks additional options that allow you to manually load and test extensions that aren't from the Chrome Web Store. You'll know it's activated when the toggle turns blue and new buttons appear on the page. Now, before proceeding further, you'll need to prepare your extension files. Open your file browser and locate the zip file containing your extension. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All from the context menu. A new window will appear and you'll see an Extract button at the bottom. Click Extract to unpack all the extension files into a new folder. This step is essential because Chrome can only load unpacked extensions from folders, not directly from zip files. After the extraction is complete, go back to your Google Chrome browser where you have the extensions page open. Now that developer mode is enabled, you'll see a button labeled Load Unpacked near the top left of the page. Click on this button to open a file selection dialog. In the file selection window that appears, navigate to and click on the extracted folder you just created. Make sure you select the folder itself, not individual files inside it. Once you've selected the correct folder, click the Select Folder button at the bottom right of the dialog. And that's it. Your Unpacked extension is now loaded into Google Chrome and should appear in your list of installed extensions ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.